Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title of today's video, I will be cleaning and trying to disinfect my whole house. I've been sick for the last couple of days and haven't been able to do much. I've just been in bed, and today I actually feel better, and I took my medicine already, got up and took a shower. I hadn't taken a shower in like 2 days. I just didn't really feel like getting out of bed. So I took my medicine and I'm feeling so much better today. And so I thought that I would clean this whole house and try to disinfect everything and wash and disinfect my sheets and just clean up everything. So that is what this video is going to be about today. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you would like to see more videos like this. I will also be doing a lot more couponing videos and budgeting videos if that is something that interests you. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video and just keep on watching.
Wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me. Something that
I just did a little bit of cleaning. I didn't mop the floor or anything. I just swept it and cleaned the countertop the best that I could. I'm really tired at this point and just want to rest for a little bit. I still have a lot of laundry to do. I cleaned off my bathroom countertop and toilet, but once I'm done with the laundry, I will do my bathtub. But I'm gonna call it a day. So that is gonna be it for today's video. As far as cleaning, I still have a lot of laundry to do that I'm gonna finish up, but I'm just gonna call it a day for the cleaning part because I am so tired and my throat is bothering me and I don't feel so well and my energy level is just not there. So I'm gonna lay down for a little bit and hopefully I get a little bit of my energy back and tackle the laundry because I really want to get it done for today. But thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you liked it down below, if you want to see more videos like this one. Again, I'm going to continue doing couponing, cleaning, and just maybe some vlogs and some budget videos soon. So if you want to see those, don't forget to subscribe down below. That would really mean a lot to me. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.